this is Sahib from TechFix. Welcome to our channel, and in this video we will be comparing the Redmi 3S Prime with the very popular Redmi Note 3. So guys, these days I am getting this question a lot because Redmi 3S is available on Flipkart for rupees 9,000, and by spending rupees 1,000 more you can get the Redmi Note 3, so which is a very popular handset. So there are some minute differences between the both, and I'll tell you the differences, and I'll also tell you which device is better for which type of people. So guys, let's get started. The major difference between the Redmi 3S Prime and the Redmi Note 3 is the processor used. The processor used on the Redmi 3S Prime is actually Snapdragon 430. Snapdragon 430 is an octa-core chipset which has two set of quad cores. The first set of quad core is actually clocked at 1.4 GHz, which are based upon actually ARM Cortex-A53, and the second set of quad core is actually based upon 1.1 GHz, which is again based upon ARM Cortex-A53. So this is the specification of Snapdragon 430, and when we move to Snapdragon 650, which is actually used on Redmi Note 3, it is a hexa-core chipset. The first two dual core is based upon ARM Cortex-A72 clocked at 1.8 GHz, and this is the Mongoose architecture, which is very powerful. The second set of quad core is based upon ARM Cortex-A53 clocked at 1.4 GHz, but the GPU used on the Snapdragon 430 is actually Adreno 505, whereas you will get Adreno 510 on the Redmi Note 3, which is having Snapdragon 650. So looking at the raw specification, you might be thinking that Redmi Note 3 is a lot powerful device, but let me get the facts right. So when we look deep into the specification, this Redmi 3S Prime has a 5-inch HD display, which comes to around PPI of 300. So Adreno 505 has a lot less stress on its GPU as compared to the Redmi Note 3, because Redmi Note 3 has a 5.5-inch Full HD panel, and Adreno 510 has to push a lot more pixels. So yes, the Adreno 510 is a better GPU, but it has to put a lot more pixels as compared to this Redmi 3S Prime. So the thing is that there is not a huge amount of difference in performance, but yes, the difference is actually noticeable. But if we talk about the performance is mostly similar on the both of the devices. It is just a minute difference between the both. Redmi Note 3 gets the edge. When we talk about the display, this has 5-inch HD display, whereas the display found on the Redmi Note 3 is actually 5.5-inch Full HD panel. So guys, I have to say the display panel of both the devices are really great, but the Redmi Note 3 gets the edge because of the Full HD panel. It is a little bit more sharpened than the display found on the Redmi 3S. Both devices have great displays, but Redmi Note 3 gets the edge here. So guys, when we move to the camera department, the rear facing camera on Redmi 3S is actually 13 megapixel shooter, and the front is 5 megapixel shooter. But on Redmi Note 3 it is 16 megapixel camera on the back, and front actually has 5 megapixel. Front camera on both the devices are mostly same, but when we move to the rear camera, I have to say the Redmi Note 3 takes better pictures than this Redmi 3S, although the difference is not so large. But if I have to pick one, Redmi Note 3 is a better bet here. If you want better camera, you have to go with Redmi Note 3. Now when we talk about battery life on both of the smartphones, the battery found on the Redmi 3S is actually 4100 milliamps, and on the Redmi Note 3 is actually 4000 milliamps. Although the battery is larger on this Redmi 3S, but it is significantly lighter, shorter, and slimmer than Redmi Note 3. So battery capacity is higher, little bit higher on the Redmi Note 3S. But when we talk about screen on time, which are actually really subjective, the Redmi 3S gets a vote here. Redmi 3S is giving me screen on time of about 9 hours, whereas Redmi Note 3 was giving me screen on time of about 6 or 6.5 hours. So in battery life department, I would say Redmi 3S gets the vote here because of its 720p display. So when we move to the next thing is actually who should buy which device. So guys, if we compare both of the devices, Redmi Note 3 has better camera, better performance, better display. But when we compare the battery life and the form factor is the main thing here. If you want a smaller device with better battery life, you should go with Redmi 3S. If you want a larger device for media consumption with little bit better performance and mostly similar battery life, then you should consider the Redmi Note 3. Both the devices are really good. So if the best part of the Redmi 3S is that it's a very compact device. All the features like IR blast, fingerprint scanner, UI, everything is similar on both the devices, but the battery life is better on 3S, whereas camera, performance and display have an edge on the Redmi Note 3. So if you are a person who use devices for media consumption, then you should go with Redmi Note 3. And if you want a secondary smartphone, like I am having Galaxy S6 and I want a secondary smartphone with very good battery life, then you should consider the Redmi 3S Prime. It's a very good device, very good battery life. But also if you want to give a gift some mobile to your mother or father or some your parents, then it's a very good device, because it is having each and everything. It is having fingerprint scanner, IR blaster, each and every functionality is present, and also the device is really compact and very solidly built, so have better battery life also. So you should consider the Redmi 3S in that case. So this was pretty much it from the video. If you have liked the video, I'll appreciate if you can hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and I'll be coming with a variety of coverage on this Redmi 3S. And if you want a dedicated video, you can always tell me in comment section down below. If you want to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc., all the links are given in description box down below. If you want to buy either of these devices, all the links given in description box. Please buy from those links. It will help out the channel, and you will be charged nothing extra for that. And this is Sai from TechieTwix signing off. Thank you guys for watching, and we will meet in next one.